All right, is it time to pump the brakes on EV investments? Morgan Stanley lowering estimates on U.S. EV penetration. Senior autos reporter Praz Subramanian here with more on that. Praz, is this as simple as supply simply growing faster than demand at this point?
I think it's more about pricing. It's higher prices hitting demand. They're taking down their EV kind of market share forecast down from 13 to 11 for 2025, and then 32 to 26 for 2030 in terms of penetration for EVs. And they say it's higher prices, battery materials, it's part shortages from your ongoing supply chain crisis, so stuff like that. But hey, there is a silver lining. He says Tesla is his top pick for 2023 based on their ability to sell at ICE-like margins. So it's on their EVs at really higher margins, like almost gas-powered cars in some sense. So battery technology, we're talking about a product ramp up like the new Semi, and also, Dave, your Cybertruck is coming out next year, so that's one of the reasons why Adam Jonas
is a real catalyst. Adam Jonas is a believer in the Cybertruck, is he?
I mean, that's part of the portfolio
All
next
right,
year,
Adam.
Semi and truck.
Well, Praz, when it comes to what Goldman's saying, though, they did mention in their note the risk that Musk does pose, how a lot of the narrative has kind of shifted to why we like Tesla in the first place, to kind of this sideshow with what he's been saying on Twitter, the amount of time that he's been spending on Twitter. How big of a risk do you think analysts view that to Tesla right now?
So Mark Delaney at Goldman, he cut his price target pretty significantly to $235 from $305, but maintained his buy rating because he says the long-term story is still at play, the growth story for Tesla is still in play. But he did say that the company needs to refocus itself on the actual story that it has of making EVs, making them cost-effective, cheaper batteries, new product platforms, and take the point, or the shadow of Musk is kind of overshadowing everything from the Twitter point of view and his sort of comments on political terms. So I think that they're saying that the market needs to refocus on Tesla as a company, and Tesla has to do a better job of showing that they are more about themselves and not about Musk.
I keep waiting for him to tweet about Powell. He's been very critical of the Fed chair and wanting rates to stay. But he stayed away from it today, shockingly.
At least for now.
Shockingly silent. Praz, good to see you, my friend. Thank you.